Okay, we're going to be looking at how to graph linear equations using the intercepts method. Okay, so to graph a linear relationship or a linear equation, all we need is 2 points. Okay, we need any 2 points in that line. Okay, and we can draw a straight line between those, and that will give us a linear relationship. It'll give us a graphed linear relationship. So, with the intercepts method, the 2 points that we're going to find are the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, those are the points where the line passes through the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay, so I'm going to start by finding the y-intercept. And we can see that if I have a line, let's say it looks like something like that. Okay, the line intercepts the y-axis when x equals 0. Okay, the y-axis is where x is equal to 0. Okay, we have positive x's here, we have negative x's here. Okay, and right in the middle where the y-axis is, x equals 0. Okay, so to find where we intercept the y-axis, all we need to do is put x equals 0 into our equation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say y, I'm going to say y-intercept, let x equals 0. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute x equals 0 wherever x is in the equation. So I have 2x, and instead of x, I'm going to write my 0. Okay, I'm going to substitute 0 in there, and then it's going to be minus 4y equals 8. Okay, and then I'm just going to solve for y. Okay, so 2 times 0 is 0, so I have 0 minus 4y equals 8. Okay, and because it's 0 minus something, we don't need to write the 0. Okay, now I want to get y by itself. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this negative 4. Negative 4y is the same thing as negative 4 times y. So to get rid of that negative 4, we need to do the opposite. We need to divide it by negative 4. Okay, so here I'm going to divide it by negative 4. Okay, on the left side, okay, that cancels out to 1. And on the right side, if I have 8 divided by negative 4, I get negative 2. Okay, so if we remember our coordinates, they're always written as x and y. Okay, in this instance, our x is going to be 0, right? Because that's what we substituted in. And our y is negative 2, because that's what we worked out. So that's 1 point. We found that 1 point. And how about let's put that on our graph? Okay, so where x equals 0 and y equals negative 2 is here. So right there. Okay. Then all we need to do is find another point. Okay, and my other point is going to be my x-intercept. So I'm going to say x-intercept, let y equals 0. Okay, and I'm going to take my equation, 2x minus 4y, and instead of writing the y, I'm going to write 0. All of that equals 8. Now my minus 4 times 0 is 0, so this falls away and it just becomes 2x, my left side, and my right side is 8. Okay, I have 2x, but I want to know what x is, so I'm going to get rid of this 2. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to divide it by 2 on both sides. Okay, this 2x is 2 times x, so we do the opposite. On the left side, it cancels out, and on the right side, we get 4. Okay, and so at this point, okay, our x is 4, and our y is that 0, because that's what we substituted in. And then I'm going to put this point on my graph. That's where x equals 4 and y equals 0, which is this point right here. Okay. And then all I need to do is I need to draw a line that passes through those 2 points. Okay. So I'm going to draw a line that passes through those 2 points. And I'm going to extend it out even further. Okay. Because this line goes on to infinity. Anytime we have a linear equation, it just keeps on going for forever. Okay. And this is my linear equation. This is the graph of 2x minus 4y equals 8. Successfully graphed. Thank you.